The average person thinks dollar for dollar when it comes to exchange, sales, or currency. However, in the financial industry, $1 is equivalent to at least $12 or more. A dollar in sales in the financial industry is calculated as FYC, which stands for first year commission, and in some cases, FYC plus a bonus. So, working in the financial industry can be very lucrative. You could see your annual income becoming your monthly income over time. You can choose to strategically do it faster. But if you are a consistent producer doing, say, $2,000 to $10,000 in sales per month, you could see that happening very fast, especially if you are building a team. If you go to Google and type the words, which industry creates the most millionaires, the top answer you will get is the financial industry. And why is this so? Okay, this is because we manage money for millions of people. We help people turn their hard-earned money into wealth. The irony is the average age of a financial advisor is close to 60 years old. So the industry has a lot of room to create many more young millionaires. Now is the time for you to embrace a career in the financial industry. Be a part of this next wave revolution. Reach out to us to learn how to become a trusted and lucrative advisor in the financial industry today.